Did you know your immune system fights over 10,000 threats every single day without you even noticing? But when it gets weak, you feel tired, you get sick easily, and even a simple cold can hit like a truck. Today, I'm going to share the most powerful science-backed ways to naturally boost your immunity. No expensive supplements needed. Just simple, practical habits that actually work. If you want strong immunity, more energy, and a healthier body, this video is for you. These tips are easy, natural, and you can start them today. Let's dive in. Your immune system starts in your gut, and what you eat every day shapes the strength of your defense system. Add vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, lemons, kiwi, and bell peppers because vitamin C boosts white blood cells, your body's security guards. Eat zinc-rich foods such as almonds, beans, chickpeas, and eggs because zinc helps wounds heal faster and strengthens your virus-fighting ability. Add garlic and ginger to your meals. Garlic contains a natural antibiotic called allicin, and ginger reduces inflammation and strengthens your immune response. Don't forget probiotic foods like yogurt and kefir. Since 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, these foods keep it healthy and strong. Small daily food choices make a huge difference over time.
Now let's talk about sleep. If you sleep less than 7 hours, your chance of catching a cold increases by 3 times. During sleep, your body produces cytokines. These are proteins that repair tissues and strengthen immunity. To improve your sleep, avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Keep your room cool and dark, and try to sleep at the same time every day. Good sleep equals a stronger body and a sharper immune system. Next is stress. Stress is not just an emotion, it creates real chemical changes inside your body. When your stress hormone, cortisol, stays high for long periods, your immune system becomes weaker. To reduce stress, try 10 minutes of deep breathing. Take short walks in nature, listen to calming music, or talk to someone you trust. Even 5 minutes of stress relief can improve your immunity. Let's move to physical activity. You don't need the gym. Just 20 to 30 minutes of walking can significantly boost your immune system. Exercise improves blood circulation, reduces inflammation, increases oxygen flow, and lowers stress hormones. Walking after meals not only strengthens immunity, but also improves digestion and blood sugar control. Hydration is another key. Your immune cells depend on water to work effectively. Even mild dehydration slows them down. Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Add lemon or mint if you want extra flavor. Staying hydrated also keeps your throat and nasal passages moist. This is your body's first line of defense against viruses. Sunlight is one of the best natural ways to boost vitamin D levels. Low vitamin D is linked to weak immunity. Just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D naturally, and if you stay indoors most of the time, you may consider talking to your doctor about supplements. While boosting your immunity, also avoid things that weaken it: too much sugar, smoking, excessive alcohol, junk food, and a lack of sleep. These habits lower your body's natural defenses and make you more vulnerable to infections. So remember, immunity is built daily, not instantly. Eat smart, sleep well, move more, manage stress, stay hydrated, and get sunlight. A stronger immune system doesn't just protect you, it gives you more energy, better focus, and a healthier life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health-boosting content. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.